How to set autoplay videos on Playstore. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set autoplay videos on Playstore. First go to Playstore and then click this one, and now click settings, and then you need to click this one, network preferences. Click on it, and now all you need to do just click this one, autoplay videos, and as you see you can change it to anything you want, like autoplay videos at any time, or autoplay videos over Wi-Fi only, or don't autoplay videos. I prefer this one, and then click done. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.